Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take English class for the students of nursery on the topic of fill in the blanks, part 3. Students, I am repeating the topic again. Today, our topic is fill in the blanks, part 3. This is our 9th lecture and 8th SW. I'm repeating, this is our 9th lecture and 8th SW. Students, for this class, take your notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, that means all your writing elements. We'll do this fill in the blanks. And one thing I want to say, in our previous classes, that means in the previous lectures, we have learned fill in the blanks part 1 and part 2. There we have learned 10 fill in the blanks, and today we'll do another 5 fill in the blanks. So let's start. Students, the question is fill in the blanks to complete the words. Here I have written 5 fill in the blanks. You have to put some letters here and have to make meaningful words. Our first fill in the blank is number 11. Look, S, gap, gap, R. You have to put 2 letters here to make a meaningful word. Students, can you guess what will be the word? Look carefully and think about the word. I hope you can guess the word. Yes, this word will be star, and the spelling is S-T-A-R, star. Spell with me, S-T-A-R, star. Now come to number 12. The gap is T, gap, E, gap. Can you think what will be in the gap? I hope you guess the correct word. This is tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Spell with me, T-R-E-E. So in the gap you have to write R and E. Now come to number 13. M, gap, N, G, gap. Students, this is a name of a fruit. Can you guess the word? What will be the name of this fruit? Yes, this is a famous fruit. This is mango. Spell the word M-A-N-G-O. Mango. You know this is my favorite food. Okay. Now come to number 14. Gap, O, gap, E. Can you guess, students? This is a part of human body. Look at this. Can you guess what will be this? Yes, I hope you guess the word. This is nose. Can you spell the word? Okay, try with me. This is nose and the spelling is N-O-S-E. Nose. Again spell with me, N-O-S-E. Nose. Now come to last number, number 15. L, gap, gap, K. Student, this is a common word. Think about it. This word will be lock. Spell the word L-O-C-K. Lock. In the door, you will find some locks. So again spell with me, L-O-C-K, lock. So in the gap, you have to write O and C to fulfill the word. Now students, I have given your homework. Your homework will be fill in the blanks, part 3. FB means fill in the blanks, and I am repeating again, your homework will be fill in the blanks, part 3. That means from 11 to 15. You have to do your homework from 11 to 15. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 9 and homework number is 8. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.